Did you know most Honda Ridgeline remote start failures come down to just a few simple issues? Let's break down why your truck might not be starting remotely, and how to fix it. First, check the basics. Your Ridgeline's doors, hood, and trunk all need to be fully closed for the remote start to work. Even a slightly open door or unlocked hood can prevent it from starting. Next, make sure your key fob battery isn't dead. If the light on your fob doesn't come on, it's time for a new battery. Another common issue, low fuel. If your Ridgeline's gas tank is nearly empty, the system will block remote starting to protect the engine. Also, if the check engine light is on, the remote start feature will be disabled until you resolve the issue. A quick scan at your local auto shop can help you figure out what's wrong. And don't forget, your Ridgeline must be in park with the gear shift. If it's not, remote start just won't work. Finally, extreme temperatures can sometimes interfere with the system. If it's super hot or freezing cold, try again after a few minutes. If you've checked all these and the remote start still fails, it might be time to visit your Honda dealer for a deeper look. Don't stress, remote start issues are common and usually easy to fix. Stay safe and enjoy that Honda Ridgeline convenience.